Hello friends, welcome back to my channel for another Simple Paper Co. mystery kit reveal. Today we will be going through the June 2025 collection. You can kind of see there's some strawberries here, which I'm always in love with strawberry kits, so this is going to be a really fun one. So let's go ahead and take off this fun little vellum and get into this collection. So first off, we have a fun bonus this month. This is like the cutest little sticker sheet. I'm not sure, maybe these are something that she has in the shop now. It says mini series, but there's all these cute little strawberries in this. So it matches this collection really well. So that was such a wonderful freebie for her to add for us. I always love it when she gives us like a little sneak of something else in the shop. Okay, so first up is our journaling card, and you guys, there's a little bee on it right near the strawberries. I just think it's so cute. I love these and I share every single month, but I'm just going to show you guys again. Today's actually May 31st, so I need to swap this out because tomorrow is June. But these I put in my little frame on my desk, and I just love how that looks, and it gives me a nice little reference when I'm planning or doing anything at my desk. I have a nice little calendar, and they're very soft. It's like this really like velvety card. So that's the journaling card. And then actually I'm going to use the back of this for these. This is the date dots page. So we've got 2 full months of date dots, and then you've got the little like blank dots as well. And then page 2, we have our calendars. So this one says June, and then you have the whole month in this one here. A bunch of other strawberry and floral deco. These are nice and small this month too. So if you're using this in a small planner, that would work really well. And then this is page 3. We've got all kinds of really cute deco. Oh my gosh, look at the little kitty and the little duck. Oh, and I love that little like cheese and jam. And this is a fun view of the bike with the basket. I feel like that's not a view you normally see. Super cute deco. I'm telling you, the strawberry kits this year have been incredible. And this one is very different than the other one. So I do like that the art that she uses is not the same as what everybody else uses. I don't know if she sources it or she just gets it like custom made, but it is a little bit different. This is our like tapes and layered papers. Get the fun desserts. This is fun. It says guest check. It's got like kind of like an old school like diner receipt or check that you have to pay. And here is our torn papers. We've got a cute little scene here, and then you've got some gingham. This is foiled in light gold too. I think this is the first page that's had foil. Yeah, so I haven't talked about foil yet, but it is foiled in light gold, and she does add just a like smidge of foil to her kits. It's not overdone. It's just like a little bit, which is nice because it's kind of like a nice guide for what color you're going to use, and then you can add in other foil if you want or leave it blank. These are our stamps. You always get 1 large stamp. That's a beautiful picnic scene. And then 2 of these kind of like slightly bigger rectangular ones. And then you've got all of these like smaller rectangle ones. You get 9 of those. And I like that she has a mix. I think I've said this in other videos, but she has a mix of like the florals, which in this one are more strawberries, and then scenes. And it's cool that we got some hot air balloons in here. I thought we were like hot air balloons over the strawberry fields. That's so fun. I think strawberries are in bloom now, and I haven't gone strawberry picking yet this year. Probably should look into that. Life's just been so busy, we've kind of missed it. I would really like to go get some though, so we can do some like strawberry jam. Okay, this page here, we've got our 2 Polaroids. These are stacked together, so this is like one big sticker. And then you've got the other Polaroid up here with that little red house scene, cute little pen. And then we've got the strawberries that are layered over the like postage stamp look. Cute. Oh, come on, can't get it off of there. These things are kind of like, it's so velvety, they want to stick to it. This is something a little bit newer in the last couple collections we've had, which I really like that she's doing. We get some little swatches here, and then we've got 1 film strip, and then these gorgeous girls. Like, how pretty are they with their little pink dresses? And then you've got some of the little picnic scenes here. So pretty. This sheet here, I always call these like our alcohol ink scenes because they look like they're inside an alcohol ink. Ugh, love that farmhouse kitchen. And those green cabinets, I really want to paint cabinets like a sage green. I'm trying to convince my husband that that's what we're going to do in our new house. We'll see if he gets on board with that or not. He's not like super opposed to it, but I don't know that he's fully on board. So yeah, I love the look of like the sage green with the gold. Oh, so pretty. Anyway, back to stickers instead of real life. We've got that pretty scene again here. The little raccoon, he's so cute. This little bib on, oh my gosh, how cute. I love that popsicle too. Okay, more alcohol ink kind of swatches. We've got like a little like dessert shop here with ice cream and some other little desserts. A little like strawberry milkshake and a little bistro set there. And then we have our foiled strawberries and florals on this page here. These are a little bit bigger, but not quite as big as what's coming. There's always like a little bit bigger. And then this one says bonus too. I feel like we got like 2 bonuses this month, but these are really fun. These are more of those guest checks. How cool are those? I would like buy a whole sheet of those. Those are really cool. That's fun. It says ice cream wholesale and retail. So it actually like says something about ice cream on there, and there's ice cream in here. That's really cool. I like how cohesive that is. And I'm always a fan of these stamps that she puts in here. These ones are on washi this time. Sometimes they're on transparent. Oh, can't pick this up. Here are our days of the week. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 full weeks on here. And the little highlight stripe is kind of like a pinky orangey, peachy kind of color. It matches the collection. And then our last 2 sheets, I know this isn't going to fully fit behind it here, but these are the strawberry and florals that are kind of like the smaller size of the 2, but they're more like bouquet-ish style, and they do have some light gold foil. And then the last page is our individual like giant strawberries and florals. Super fun. And it's fun that she added in like the white strawberries too. I don't know if those are supposed to represent like the actual like white strawberries you can buy. I've never tried those. Let me know if you have. I always think of like unripe strawberries, so they seem unappealing to me when I see them in the store when they're like the ones that are actually a real strawberry. Maybe I should try them sometime. Let me know if you have. Okay guys, that's everything for this June collection. So we've got, come on, trying to like line all these back up here. So we've got all of these gorgeous pages here, really pretty. It's kind of fun to have like a red and green kit that's not Christmas, right? Like I feel like anytime we see red and green, it's usually a Christmas collection. But this is a really fun June collection. So that is everything for June. I will say I did end my subscription after this June collection, so you won't see regular subscriptions from me from Simple Paper Co., regular videos here. My husband and I are in the process of buying a home, and I'm really trying to like conserve money right now, and I have such an abundance of stickers. And right now, the way that I'm planning, I am in an A5, and this sticker collection isn't quite serving what I need it to. I absolutely love these stickers. I love this subscription. It's just not something that makes sense for me right now. So sadly, this is my last Simple Paper Co. Mystery reveal, for at least for now. I fully believe I'll be back once we're done with this whole home buying process, and if I switch planners or whatever, but I just felt like it was the right time to take a step back from this subscription. So I'm sorry, this is the last one of Simple Paper Co. for a little bit, but there are lots of other wonderful people that do share these collections, and I'm sure I'll continue to share things on Instagram as well. So if you are, interested in her monthly subscriptions, you can go over to her page and check it out. She does put extras up in the shop as well afterwards. So if there happens to be a collection that, if you're not subscribed, like I'm about to not be, well, I'm not. If there is one that I like, I know I can always go and pick it up. You're not always guaranteed to get the whole collection because it could just be sold out. But right now that's a risk that I am going to be willing to take for my other goals that I have going on in life besides stickers. So I will fill you all in on all of this whole home buying journey as we go, because I have exciting things to talk about, but I'm not quite ready to talk about everything yet. So stay tuned for other videos and I will fill you all in then. But thank you so much for always coming back and watching these. I am really sad to not have these videos anymore for Simple Paper Co. and to not get her subscriptions. But yeah, this is the right thing for right now. So thank you guys for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.